Welcome to my channel. If you learn from this video, then like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to see hexadecimal to decimal conversion. For that, suppose we have a number 5A7 and we have to convert it into a decimal number. So our step 1 is to find weight of all digits. I have taught how to find weight of digits in basics of number system. But let's once again revise how to find weight of digits. So this is how the number is represented. This point is called as radix point, and these are the numbers which are present to the left hand side and the right hand side of the radix point. If radix point is not present, we consider that it is the left hand side part. This digit which is close to the left hand side of the radix point will have the weight r raised to 0, where r is the base or radix value of that number system in which you are using it. Then the power of r will go on increasing by 1 as you move away from the radix point to the left hand side. Now moving to the right hand side of the radix point, the starting value weight is r raised to minus 1, and as you move away from the radix point to the right hand side, the weight goes on decreasing by minus 1. So this is how you find weight. Let's apply this in our number. So we have a number 5A7 and the r for this number is 16, that is radix value is 16. So the weight of this number 7 will be 16 raised to 0, then a will have the weight 16 raised to 1 and 5 will have the weight 16 raised to 2. So we have found out how to find weight. Now our step 2 is multiply each digit with its weight and we have to add. So how to do that, let's see. So my d is equal to, what we have to do, multiply digit with its weight. So first we will consider 7 and its weight, that is 16 raised to 0. So we will write 7 into 16 raised to 0 plus moving to a. So what this a indicates, a equivalent is 10. Since in hexadecimal after 9 we write a, b, c, d for 10 to 15 digits. So a will be 10 into 16 raised to 1 plus this 5 into 16 square. So we have multiplied each digit with its weight and we have added it. Now this 16 raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is always raised to 1. So my d will be equal to 7 into 1 plus 16 raised to 1 is the number itself, that is 10 into 16, and the 16 square is 256, and we have to just multiply this and add the values. So after multiplying we will get like this and we have to add this value. So my d will be equal to 1447. So this is nothing but the decimal equivalent of a hexadecimal number. See how easy it was to find decimal number from a hexadecimal. There are only 2 steps: find weight and then multiply digit with its weight. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have the number 12.f4. Here radix point is present and we have to find its decimal equivalent. So our step 1 is to find weight of all digits. So for the 2 is present to the left hand side of the radix point, so it will have weight 16 raised to 0, then power will get increased by 1, so 1 will have the power 16 raised to 1. Moving to the right hand side of the radix point, the weight starts from r raised to minus 1, so it will be 16 raised to minus 1, then 4 16 raised to minus 2. Now step 2, multiply digit with its weight and add. So we have to just multiply each digit with its weight and just add. So starting from 4 into 16 raised to minus 2, that is digit and its weight, so we have multiplied it. Then add f. F indicates 15, so 15 into 16 raised to minus 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to 0 and 1 into 16 raised to 1. So after finding the value of 16 raised to minus 2, we will get 4 into 0.0039, 16 raised to minus 1. 16 raised to 0 is 1 and 16 raised to 1 is 16 itself. So d will be equal to, after multiplying we will get this value, and after adding we will get the final value, that is 18.953. If you want, you can do this step first step directly on the calci and get the value. There is no need to first find 16 raised to minus 2, 16 raised to minus 1. You can directly put whole this equation in your calci and you will get this answer. D is equal to 18.953. So this is how we find a decimal equivalent from a hexadecimal number. Just 2 steps. First find weight and then multiply digit with its equivalent weight and add. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.